Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can boot this device into boot mode. So to get started, not exactly sure why I needed to do that. So to get started, let's just pull down our notifications, extend it, and select the power button right here. Choose power off. And when the phone turns off, you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. And there we go, that's our bootloader. Now I'll mention one more thing. If it's not showing up for you right away when you start holding these two keys, or in a matter of like 2 seconds, let go of those keys and start holding them once more. It takes the device a little bit longer to shut off than just as it looks on the screen. So even though the screen is completely off, the device is still probably powering down. When you let go and hold the keys again, it should just boot up straight into here. Now from here, in this mode, the boot mode, we have a couple of options accessible. So right now by default it's selected start, so to confirm it you just press power key, but we can also flip through different options. So if I just scroll down, we have restart bootloader, which brings us back to where we are right now. Then we have recovery mode, obviously takes us to recovery mode, rescue mode, barcode, power off, and we're back to start. So there we go, those are all the options. So now I'm gonna go back to my normal Android by confirming start. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.